I'm Bryan DeLuca and this is Maker Build It. Today we're talking all about welding, but before we do that, make sure you like and follow. What is welding? Welding is a fundamental process in manufacturing and construction that involves joining materials, typically metals or thermoplastics, by heating them to a molten state and allowing them to cool and fuse together. This process creates a strong, durable bond between the materials, making welding a crucial technique in various industries, including automotive, aerospace, construction, and even art. The basics of welding. At its core, welding involves three main components. Heat source. The heat required to melt a material can come from various sources, such as an electric arc, a gas flame, or a laser beam. Filler material. In many welding processes, a filler material is added to the joint to enhance the bond. This material melts along the base materials and solidifies to form a strong connection. Shielding. Shielding is necessary to protect the molten weld from contamination by the atmosphere. This can be achieved by using gases, flux, or a combination of both. Types of welding. There are several types of welding processes, each designed for specific applications and materials. Some of the most common welding techniques include arc welding. Arc welding uses an electric arc to generate heat, melting a material and the filler rod to create a weld. MIG welding. Material inert gas, MIG welding, uses a continuous wire feed as an electrode and a shielding gas to protect the weld from contamination. TIG welding. Tungsten inert gas welding, TIG welding, uses a non-consumable tungsten electrode and an inert gas, usually argon, to shield the weld area. Spot welding. A type of resistance welding, spot welding joins two material surfaces by applying pressure and passing a current through the metal. Laser welding. Laser beam welding. Laser beam welding uses a laser to create high precision welds with minimum heat distortion. Oxy-Acetylene Welding. This process involves burning a mixture of oxygen and acetylene gas to create a flame hot enough to melt and join metals. It is used for cutting, welding, and brazing materials and is a versatile tool in metal fabrication and repair. Welding is a process that plays a vital role in modern industry and manufacturing. By understanding the different types of welding and their application, one can appreciate the skill and precision required to create the structures and products we rely on every day. I hope you enjoyed this video on welding. For more on DIY maker projects and 3D printing, make sure you like and follow Maker Build It, and remember, keep on making.